We're going to get it started. A man who puts together some real great original music with everything that's good about American music and puts it into what he does, including, of course, a heavy dose of the blues. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Derrick Procell and the Redeemers. Thank you.
When there ain't no moon at all, might come on a delta wind, shaking through the walls. Might be rough as gravel, neath the dragging of his tail, rolling in from the west side of Chicago on a screaming Lake Street rail. But it's there, it's in the air, like the calling of a friend. He ain't gone, he's living on. You see, the wolf will howl again. Yes, he will. Might hear it cross the river on a hot West Memphis night, rolling like a coupe de ville. He got the bumpers shining bright. Might thunder from the Union Hall, gonna kick out every door. Rising like a man himself, standing 10 feet from the floor. But it's there, it's in the air, like the calling of a friend. He ain't gone, he's living on. You see, the wolf will howl again. Hear him howl right now. Your bed when you reach down for your shoe, or some basement flat in London where a white boy he learned the blues. Might shoot from a steely-eyed stack, you know, a breathing smoke and fire. First guitar, strung from baling wire. There,
Chicago Blues Festival 2017, especially tonight, because it is the eve, ladies and gentlemen, the eve of the birthday of the Howlin' Wolf. That's right, tomorrow, June 10th. 107 years ago, Mr. Chester Burnett, he was born to bring you the blues. And so what we're gonna do tonight, we're gonna send a little special birthday howl to Mr. Howlin' Wolf. Can you help us out here? I say, ow! Let me hear you say, ow! I can't hear you. Say, ow! I want to wake him up, ladies and gentlemen. Say, ow! Yeah! Now this song right here is the first song off of our most recent CD. You remember CDs, right? The CD is called Why I Choose to Sing the Blues. And we're going to be playing more music from that. All songs of ours. Chicago blues, Southern rock blues, Dixieland blues, Delta blues, any kind of blues, it's all good, right? On the west side of Chicago, man, yeah, Millennium Park, the wolf will howl again.